Hi there, it's Saturday the 4th of February 2017. My name's Andy Rowe and this is trendfollower.co.uk. In this video I'm going to have a look at my asset class trading system with timing and see if there's anything that I need to do this week. But before I do that, let me do a quick disclaimer because of course I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take this video as financial advice from me to you. It's simply a video about what I do, so regard it as entertainment. Now, just to give a quick summary of what the plan is, I divide my investment pot into 5 slices because I'm interested in investing in shares, I'm interested in investing in property, I'm interested in investing in gold and commodities and bonds, so 5 different asset classes. But I don't just split it up like that because I use a timing system because things go up and down and I don't want to be invested in an asset class if it's going down. So what I do is to invest when the price rises up above the average price for the year and stay invested until the price closes below the average price for the year, and then I liquidate the investment and turn it into cash, and I stay in cash until the price rises up above the moving average for the past year, at which point I reinvest. So it's an asset allocation system, so none of the money's not all put in one asset class, it's spread around, but I'm only interested in being in those asset classes if they're going up in price. So that's what I look at each week, is are they going up or are they going down, what's happening. So I'm going to look at shares first of all, and the fund that I use to be exposed to shares here is closed just up here, so slightly up this week from the close of trade last week. So the price is well above the average price for the year, so I'm happy to remain invested. So there's nothing I need to do there, nice and easy. Let's have a look at property. Now, property's been falling quite a bit. This is a UK property fund that I'm looking at here, kind of up and down quite a lot. Last couple of weeks down quite a bit, but this week up a little bit, still below the MA52, so I don't have a signal to get invested into property yet, but is it stabilizing? I don't know. It very nearly gave me a signal to buy a couple of weeks ago, but fell right back down again this week, up very slightly, but nothing for me to do just yet. But gold, let's have a look at gold. Now, gold's been falling since the summer, really, fallen quite a lot, but in recent weeks it's been rising. A couple of weeks ago it rose right up to the average price for the past 2 years, which is what this green line is, by the way. So this is a slightly different moving average to the moving average I use on the other asset classes because gold's quite spiky. Now, look what's happened. So this week the price has closed above the 2-year moving average. So to me, this is a signal to get reinvested in gold. So I'm going to be taking my slice that I allocate to going into gold and putting it into a gold investment. So there we go. So a signal to buy gold. So this is the first signal I've had for a little while. Moving on, let's have a look at commodities. And commodities this year have been doing, well, to 2016 have been doing very well, into 2017 well again, this week up again a little bit more. So I'm very happy to be invested in this commodity fund. It's the moving average is rising and the price is above the MA52, so nothing for me to do there, just staying invested. Bonds, now I don't trade bonds because they chop up and down above and below the moving average for the year, and if I came in and out of the market there, I'd just be losing money all the time. So I just hold 3 different bond funds, one denominated in British pounds, one denominated in euros, and one denominated in US dollars, just to hedge my currency risk. And I just hold them, so I don't even look at the graphs, to be honest. They just are a static thing in my investment portfolio. So here we go, new little image here for us. So traffic light system, so shares green, I'm staying invested. Property red, is below the average price for the year, so I'm staying out of the property market. Gold, I now have a green light. Last week it would have been a red light. Commodities are green and bonds are always green in my trading system. So there we go, only one asset class that I'm staying out of still, and that's property. Otherwise I'm in everything. So what am I doing this week? The only thing I have to do is to reinvest into gold. So people who are members of my system will know what fund I'm buying and how I'm going about that via the private members Facebook page. So if you're interested in that, get in touch and let me know. If you haven't looked at my website, please do have a look at it. www.trendfollower.co.uk is the site. So many thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, this isn't advice from me to you, it's just a video about what I do. So hope you're interested, and I'll do another video for you next week. Okay, bye for now.